Hey guys, in this video, I will show you 5 products from the most popular brands that are the best in the market. The brands and models I listed here have been featured by the most popular review websites, and they have thousands of positive reviews on Amazon.com. In preparing this list, I did a lot of online research so that you'll find the best and most suitable one for you. So if you want to buy the best one that's worth your money, then don't skip. Watch the full video. Trust me, if you choose from this list, definitely you will buy the best one from the overcrowded market. One more thing, don't forget to check the links in the description. I will see you in the next video.
The DJI Mini3 is a compact and lightweight camera drone that features an extended battery life of up to 31 minutes, stunning 4K HDR video, and true vertical shooting. It also has a built-in obstacle avoidance system that uses 4 directional sensors to detect and avoid collisions. The DJI Mini3 is ideal for travelers who want to capture high-quality footage in various scenarios without worrying about carrying extra batteries or accessories. With a foldable design, the DJI Mini3 is easy to store and carry. It weighs only 249 grams, which means it does not require registration in most countries. It also has a remote controller with an LCD screen that displays important information such as battery level, signal strength, altitude, speed, etc. The remote controller also has a phone holder that allows you to attach your smartphone and view the live video feed from the drone's camera. The drone is equipped with 2 batteries, each with a capacity of 3,800 mAh. They can be removed and replaced without any tools. On a full charge, you'll get 31 minutes of flight time from both batteries combined. And if you don't want to wait too long for the battery to charge, it can fully charge in just an hour using fast charging technology. The DJI Mini3 has a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to operate even for beginners. It supports various modes such as quick shots, predefined flight patterns, panorama, wide-angle shots, time-lapse, slideshow mode. It also has intelligent features such as active track, follows and records the subject automatically. Point of interest, tracks a specific location on the map. Tap fly, flies towards the direction of your tap. The DJI Mini3 is among the most accessible drones for beginners who want a quick and easy experience. You'll get all the bells and whistles any experienced pilot needs, with exceptional battery life, a sharp camera, and obstacle avoidance. The design is also very user-friendly, so you don't have to worry about taking off or landing. Best of all, it's not too expensive. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 is the second version of the popular DJI Mavic Mini series. In your hand, you can hold less than 1/4 kilogram. It has a 12MP camera that captures super detailed images and videos in 4K resolution at up to 30 FPS. The camera also includes an HDR mode for enhanced dynamic range and color accuracy. With just one battery charge, this drone can fly for 31 minutes. Using your phone, it'll fly up to 10 kilometers away by using OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology. This will provide excellent video quality even when it's windy outside. When it comes to safety features, this drone is packed with them. There are obstacle avoidance sensors, return to home function, low-speed follow mode, geofencing mode, and emergency stop function. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 is very beginner-friendly as well. The DJI Fly app offers multiple modes, such as Active Track 3.0, Quick Shots mode, for creating cinematic shots, Hyperlapse mode, for creating smooth time-lapse videos, Time-lapse mode, for creating fast-forward videos, Panorama mode, for creating wide-angle photos, Point of interest mode, for tracking subjects, Spotlight Follow Me mode, for indoor use, Tap Fly mode, for hands-free flying, Focus Track mode, for tracking moving objects. This drone is perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to take high-quality images and videos of their adventures. And the best part? It's suitable for travelers. You won't need to bring an extra case or batteries with you because of its compact size. The Walkera T210 mini drone is a compact and versatile quadcopter that offers some impressive features and performance for its size and price. It has a foldable design that makes it easy to carry and store, and it comes with 2 controller options: a standard 2-stick remote controller and a one-handed voice controller with a built-in screen. The voice controller allows you to control the drone with simple gestures and voice commands, which is a unique and innovative feature that sets it apart from other drones in the market. The drone has a 4K camera with a 3-axis gimbal that can capture stunning videos and photos in high resolution and stability. It also has a Sony 12-megapixel sensor and a wide-angle lens that can capture a large field of view. The drone is capable of detecting up to 4.5 kilometers of video transmission range and has a strong ability to maintain signal. These features mean you can go ahead and zoom it around with full confidence that you'll be able to see where it's going no matter how far you let it roam. And if you want something more interactive, then give this feature a try. It has tons of flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint, and Gesture Control. Just explaining them makes me want to fly one right now. Another benefit of this drone is its lightweight design. It's so light, in fact, that a 2200 mAh battery can keep it running for 31 minutes straight. It also comes with a GPS auto-return function that will bring the drone back to its starting position if it loses signal or has low battery. The drone has a maximum speed of 90 kilometers per hour in altitude mode and can fly in different modes such as GPS mode, sports mode, and altitude mode, depending on your preference and skill level. The Wera T210 mini drone is a great choice for beginners and enthusiasts who want a portable and powerful drone that can capture high-quality videos and photos. It is also a good option for professional photographers and videographers who want a drone that can offer somatosensory control and voice control, which are rare and innovative features in the drone industry. The drone is priced at $369.99 for the standard BNF package, which includes the drone, one battery, a spare propeller set, a propeller guard set, a USB charging cable, a screwdriver, a charger, and a manual. The deluxe set, which includes both controllers, 2 batteries, a 128 gigabytes SD card, and a FPV goggles, is priced at $629.99, which is still reasonable for a drone of this caliber. The Holystone HS510 is a budget-friendly drone that offers decent performance and features for its price. If you're worried about storage space, then don't be with this drone because it has a foldable design, making it real small and easy to bring around. The camera on the drone is awesome as well. With 4K 30 FPS shooting or 1080 pixel at 60 FPS recording, your videos will look crisp and clean. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot the camera also has a wide-angle lens, which means you'll get more scenery in one shot. The battery life on this thing is no slouch either. It'll last you up to 25 minutes after charging once, or up to 40 minutes with the extended battery. You can also fast charge it, giving you an extra hour of flight time in just half an hour. The flight system for this drone is also really simple. I think the most appealing mode would have to be gesture control, where it does what your hand motions want it to do. So if you wave at it, for example, it'll fly towards that direction. So who would this drone be perfect for? Well, I'd say beginners and people who like taking pretty photos, but still want some fun flying around and doing tricks with their friends. The Snaptane P30 is another budget-friendly drone that is worth your money. It has a small and lightweight design that only weighs 249 grams, so you can fly it wherever you want without registering it. The Snaptane P30 also has a 4K camera capable of a 30 FPS or record in 1080 pixels at 60 FPS. The wide-angle lens lets you capture more scene in one shot, and it supports EIS to reduce shaking. The battery life on the Snaptane P30 is decent, lasting up to 20 minutes with one charge, or up to 40 minutes with the extended battery. It also supports fast charging, so you can get an extra hour of flight time with just a 30-minute charge. The flight system on the Snaptane P30 is basic. It includes features like one-key takeoff landing, headless mode, return home mode, altitude hold mode, and gesture control. There's also Follow Me mode, which will automatically follow the user within a certain range. The Snaptane P30 is perfect for beginners who want to learn how to fly drones and have some fun with their friends and family. It will also be good for capturing casual videos and photos of landscapes, events, or daily life.